In 1937, Japan launched a fierce invasion of China, starting the Second Sino-Japanese War. The conflict was devastating. Cities like Nanjing, Shanghai, and Wuhan suffered destruction. An estimated 300,000 civilians and prisoners were killed in the Nanjing massacre. Despite these horrors, the Chinese people refused to give up. The nationalist government set up a wartime capital. Communist forces, led by Mao Zedong, waged guerrilla warfare in rural areas, disrupting Japanese supply lines. Civilians mobilized. Women played key roles as nurses, spies, and fighters.
Yeah, because me, I'm an age of 35, not that old enough like to have the personal experience back in the war, but my grandfather actually took part in that war against the aggression as a soldier, as a pilot actually, and he would tell me a lot of the stories back then when he was in the troop and how they took the battle and fought back. And he always told me that all the good life that I have today based on the sacrifice of the previous pioneers. And I also believe so because even my age of over 30 years, I experienced this country from growing really took off really fast, rapid. When I was little, when I go from my home to my grandfather's home, I was on the back of my father's bike. But now I can just drive a car. That now I believe almost a lot of households in China that we own a car. I believe that showcases how we based on that foundation of safe and secured life being devoted by the previous pioneers, and now that we can thrive on that.
Even with internal differences, China's united front became a symbol of resilience. International aid, including the famous Flying Tigers, American volunteer pilots, offered vital support. As one of the Big Four allies, China kept hundreds of thousands of Japanese troops engaged, preventing their spread across Asia. Today, the Chinese People's War of Resistance stands as a powerful symbol of unity and resilience, shaping modern China's identity and emphasizing the vital role of international solidarity in resisting aggression. On September 3, 2025, China will commemorate the 80th anniversary of its resistance to Japanese invasion, an enduring testament to its resilience and the ongoing pursuit of global peace. China marks 80 years since its resistance. The legacy of resilience and unity still inspires today. I am Marlon Samuels, reporting from Beijing, China for PBCJ News.